Hello, my name is Fahim and this is the progress report for 5th January 2015. Today I will go through the progress which I have made so far regarding for my project wireless queue management system. As you can see on the screen, this is my main display. It will display the tickets called by the counter users. At the moment, it is showing customer service, sales, and payments, and there is no counter active at the moment. And you can see there is a presentation running on the right side, and then an up-to-date time is being displayed. And the main heading of this page is WTQMS main display, and it is running on Safari browser. So each and every part of the application is running on separate browsers in order to demonstrate different counters which I have implemented in this application in order to demonstrate real life how it works in real life. Over here on this laptop I have basically a login screen which offers a registration for a new user and a login page for the existing user. Pointing on the register will show to the user that click to register a new user account. System admin approval is required for this purpose in order to avoid unnecessary registrations. And clicking on this drop down button will show me the list of registered users including the system admin. Let me refresh this page. I believe so many pages are open, so it's messing around. Over here, there we go. System, Fahim is for customer service, Khurram is for sales, and Sarah is for payments. And over here, if the user has forgotten his password, he or she will be able to recover his password by him or herself without the involvement of system administrator. So I have put it there on tooltip for the user about that thing. And on the right side, as you can see, the slideshow is going on and it will be displayed from time to time. The user has an ability to change it if he or she wants, or up and down. An up-to-date system time is displayed on this area, as you can see. So now I am going to, first of all, I will show how the system works. So I will choose to first counter for customer service as Fahim, and then I will enter its password, which is capital CS 2014, and I press enter, and it will open the counter for customer service. As you can see, it is displaying the counter number, customer service as a service name, and the welcome message on the top right corner. And right now you can see that there's no tickets at the moment, and the ticket queue is also, a ticket server is also empty. And there are 3 buttons: next, call, served. As you can see, the next is enabled. The call and served buttons will be enabled if there is a ticket available to serve. And this is the default text display to the user as a clean system. And at the bottom you can see there's a red button for logout, and it displays the username Fahim and the last access date the user has accessed this system. And this is the current system date is displaying at the bottom of the screen. And I'm going to log in for sales as well. Over here, this is on Internet Explorer, the same window. I'm going to choose Khurram, and over here I will enter the password, which is capital SL 2014, enter, and it will display the counter page. If the password is correct, it will display the counter page, otherwise it will prompt the user. Now sales counter has been logged in. The user for the sales counter has been logged in, Mr. Horam, for sales counter number 3, and on the main display it will display the customer service and counter number 3 for sales. Right now there is no payment logged in and there is no counter number and ticket number is displayed. So I'm going to do the same for the payment, which is on Firefox. So I will select here Sarah. Password is already typed for me, so I will enter, and I'm just using the saved browser passwords for a quick entrance. And over here, this is counter number 4, payments, welcome. Right now it's all settings are default, as you can see. Now I will switch to customer service and I will try to call. Let's see what happens if I try to call. I press the next button. It is saying that the counter service, there is no ticket available at the moment to serve. I will press it again. Please wait for the tickets, and the message will disappear automatically. Over here I have already opened ticket dispenser. As you can see, ticket dispenser, it has 3 options. Overall the screen of the ticket dispenser is similar to the screen of main display over here, so that the user has similar experience. Screens are uniformed in the colors and theme. Over here I have 3 options to choose from: customer service, sales and payment. I press customer service button. Ticket record has been updated, displayed at the bottom, where it is showing please choose an option from the service menu. I am going to press the payment and you will see again a green message there. There we go, green message is appearing again, and it will disappear shortly. And over here all the counters are logged in, counter 2, 3 and 4, but they are not calling any customer as of now. So I will do something for the sales as well. Now the record has been updated. I will switch to the customer service. Here is the next. I'll press the next button. It will fetch the next ticket for me, and now it is showing me CS1136, and it is showing me the issue time and also the wait time for a particular ticket. And also in the ticket queue, as you can see, it is showing there is a 1 person in the queue, and this whole interface will be updated as soon as I press call. And over here you will see a green message, and on there you will see the ticket display number. So I'm going to click on this next call button. Green message appeared calling the ticket number CS1136. Over here what happened, it is displaying the ticket number CS1136 on the left side, and also on the main screen counter number and ticket number in green color. So these colors are switching. Let's another customer from sales has also pressed the next button, wishing to call the ticket, is showing 1. I press the call button. Green message is showing that the ticket number has been called on the main display. Over here main display has been updated. Now 2 tickets are displaying, and the last over here, this will display the last one, recent one, and on the left it will also display the current call ticket number in case the person has missed from here. Now I am going to do the same while keeping my phone on the main display. I will carry out the same procedure for payments. I press next button and it is showing me PY1137 for the payment, and it is also showing that there is a 1 ticket. So as soon as I press call button, green message appear at the bottom, and it has updated the ticket queue. Right now there is no more tickets, it's only the one at the moment I have. So over here the main display has been updated, so we can see that it is displaying all these tickets and which are currently serving at the counter. So I am going to press, let's say for the customer service, the ticket has been served. I will press served. What will happen? The ticket served has been updated. So they, as you can see, there is displaying 47 numbers. So these are the total tickets which has been displayed, which has been served today. And I was doing some testing, so that's why the counter is up for this particular counter customer service. Now I'm going to do switch for the sales SL113. So I will, over here it has been updated. The customer service has been blanked, there is nothing to display, but it is blinking. For others, they are keep on blinking till the counter person or staff press the serve button. So I'm going to press serve button for the sales, and you can see in the 3 sales box it will disappear. It's been served, pressed, disappeared, sales. Over here it has updated that 16 tickets has been served today as of now. So the last one which I am going to do is for the payments. So I'm going to press serve button. What would happen? It will update the ticket served and it will display a message for me. Green message display, ticket served 21, total payment. And what happened over here? It has cleared basically all the tickets on the left side. I press refresh. If I refresh it, it will say no tickets to display, but the counters, all 3 counters are online and there is nothing to display at the moment. And over here I have 21. So what would happen if the customer would press next button and there is no further tickets? So the system will prompt the user, please wait for the ticket. The system has been reset. As you can see, 00. This ticket served will again be available as soon as this a new ticket is available, and the person will press call button. He or she will be able to see the today's served tickets. So if I'm going to log out now. So if I press log out for this red button over here for Sarah, you can see the last access date 5/1/2015. I'm going to press log out. And what would happen over here? I'm going to press it there, log out, and you will see that the number 4 will disappear. I press log out, 4 has been replaced with 0, so no counter for the payments is available as of now. So I'm going to do the same for others too. For the sales, I'll try to press next button. It is saying that no further tickets are available, so I press log out. I'm done with this. And for how much we have now for the sales? 0, nothing is there. And now I'm going to jump to the customer service. Over here I press the next button. Again it has resetted the whole system. Only the next button is available. Call and serve button are disabled. And let's add some more tickets. Over here I tried to add one more. Over there I went back, I switched to my own counter screen, press next. Now the ticket is available. It is saying that there is only one customer in the queue. I have pressed call button. It is displaying green button and a green message that has been called. Over here it is showing me again that the ticket number is being displaying on the main display in the Safari browser. So each and every window is open in a different browsers. So it's a browser independent, and the data is fetching from the basically the database at the back end. So I'm going to press call serve button. Sorry, I press the serve button. It will update it 48 for today, and over here again there is nothing. Counter main display has been clear, no further tickets to display, and you can see there is only customer 2 is active at the moment. So I'm going, what would happen before I log out? I will try to press next. No further tickets available. I click right button, log out. Now I am on the main screen. In the main screen I'm going to demonstrate a registration process. If I press register button, on the right side the screen has been replaced with the user account security questions. Over here, username is asking me for username, service desk to choose from, and password, confirm password, and over here these choose the security questions and the answer. So if I try to press enter, it will display a red asterisk that these fields are required and they cannot be simply skipped. So I'm just going to quickly register some ZYC. And he or she is from sales, and over here the password I'm just writing 1 2, and on next tab over here I'll just write 1 2 3, and over here I chose the question childhood hero, and that would be okay, I'll switch it to car, first car Toyota, and it is, as you can see, it is showing a red message at the bottom, password mismatch, because I've typed extra 3 there, so I've removed it and try to click somewhere else. It's clear. Now I'm ready for, and at the bottom you can see ZXC is available, the username is available for registration. So I'm ready to press enter button. I press enter button, and it is saying that the ZXC registered successfully, please contact the system admin to activate the account. Now that user is still not available here until the user has been approved by the system admin. So if I press system, let's go to the system and see what I have done there. At the moment I've just done the logical coding for the system so that it can only allow a user who is in the system domain. So I will type the password admin, ADMIN, enter. Okay, what is, hi, this is just a temporary page which I just put it to display at the moment. As you can see, system control panel, the work is in progress, so that's why, and there is no CSS attached, just to demonstrate that the logic is working for the person who is for system admin. I'll refresh it. I tried to recover a password for Mr. Fahim. I hope if I do remember what is over here. I clicked on the password, forgot password. It is displaying me the question, who was your childhood hero, and the username for Fahim. I need to answer it, and then it will let me do it. In the past I have answered it, so some answers are saved. So I believe it was a Tom Cruise. So I set my current password was CS2014. Right now I'm doing it 1 2 3 1